How strong is he? We need a finger. See, we need the finger scale. We need to know how many fingers.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Rainbow Reels with Panos and Matt. We're watching episode 17 of Jujutsu Kaisen Season 2. This is Thunderclap Part 2.
Yogo burned half of Shibuya. Sukuna burned Yogo, which was very sad because he just wants to be with his friends. Megumi and Toji fought. Toji killed himself to save his son, but we also saw that Megumi is in trouble.
Yep.
He is heavily wounded. We saw it at the end. Now we hope that Nanami, Maki, and the Zenin clan leader are alive, because we haven't seen them. Without further ado, let's dive in.
Let's go.
Let's go.
A little flashback to episode 1.
Ooh.
It looks like they're in hell.
Who's that?
Megumi.
Is this the time to focus on your technique?
Well, if he's about to die, my god. Oh my god.
Okay, so that is the fight.
That was the fight between Sukuna and Jogo.
He's gonna summon something he hasn't tamed? Interesting. Maybe he's gonna bring out
No one has
Chimera.
been able to tame this one.
Wow, this is interesting. They're showing us a flashback while it is happening in the present. That's cool. What is he doing? Like, what is he summoning?
I guess it's the 10th shadow.
Yura.
Even he's noticing it.
Huh? What is he summoning?
Who is she? Whoa.
Did you just see what he said? He said, soon I will regain my freedom. So he needs Fushiguro to regain his freedom? Oh, he's summoning like an Espa or something like from Final Fantasy.
He forced me to take part in the ritual.
Interesting. Uh-oh, it's behind him.
Oh! It attacked him! That's what we saw last time.
Yes!
And now he's gonna...
Fushiguro, no! Oh, this looks like from Hellboy. Hellboy 2?
Oh, finally we're gonna find out about his technique.
It's like a shield, it's like a deflection. Ay.
He doesn't know this himself? Sukuna rescued him.
Sukuna saved him. What is happening?
He doesn't want him to die.
What is happening?
So
he needs to defeat it.
both of them can't die.
This is part of the intro. Where's the intro?
Right? We didn't have one this time. It's almost like a halo. You know? Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Interesting. So that is a very strong Shikigami then.
Yeah. If no one ever has managed to tame it. He's over there.
A little snack.
Let me have a snack.
Wow. How strong is he? We need a finger. See, we need the finger scale. We need to know how many fingers. Wow, that was so cool. Wow, like a sonic
Just
sound
a blast,
attack.
yeah.
Oh, and a finger.
The wrong finger. But can he regenerate? Because he lost his foot, right? Wow.
Wow. Fushiguro, baby, what did you think?
It seems Sukuna's a little bit stronger.
But not much.
Not much, but like a little bit.
Wow, did you see he like opened a shadow portal?
He cut him in half.
He keeps regenerating. Like a reverse technique. Wow, what are we watching? This is crazy. This is crazy.
Oh, look at the people.
Inumaki! Wow.
The buildings are just floating at this point. Oh no, not the
No!
humans.
Oh, he killed them!
Oh.
How do you stop this thing? Wow, it just shows you how strong Fushiguro could be.
So, I wonder what happens. Like, what does it mean when the wheel is turning?
Wow.
He couldn't grab him?
No, Sukuna stopped him. Oh, something was
he
grabbing
can't.
him.
Oh.
They are destroying the entire city. They're destroying the entire...
No!
No!
You're gonna die.
No!
I mean, no one is safe at this point.
He has some trains. Sukuna is struggling. Wow. Did he change his size?
He looks huge
He
now.
looks huge.
Like Godzilla.
This is crazy. Wow, that attack looked amazing. He's
He
like,
was like flying back and like,
wow. No,
oh,
too
did you
many
see that?
people.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks incredible.
Ooh.
Wow, Sukuna had enough. This is unreal. Wow. This is unreal. I just don't even understand like what is going on. Like we went from crazy. Is that
Is
a
this
plane?
a plane? Yeah.
Oh my god. It is a plane. Wow. It's like it has a response and a counterattack to everything.
Yeah.
This is the Shibuya Incident. What was Megumi thinking?
It's able to adopt.
To adapt, yeah, he has a counter to everything. It looks like an angel from Neon Genesis Evangelion, no?
Sukuna is doing the main expansion? Malevolent Shrine.
He doesn't want to
Wow,
kill
he really
him.
doesn't want him to die.
Wow, he just
He
removed him.
pulverized him.
Is he gonna kill all of them? He's killing everybody? Wow, it's regenerating as he kills it! Wow, this animation is incredible. Wow. It can't regenerate anymore.
Yeah, because he's attacking too quickly. Oh, he's using this technique
It's the
again.
same technique. Let's go.
Wow. The whole of Shibuya is gone.
This is crazy. Wow, the shadows.
Yeah. Is this Itadori?
Was that too much for Sukuna?
Oh, no, it is Sukuna.
重物蓄えた奇跡は七海健人との戦闘で使い果たして
そろそろだな。今一瞬見えたのは虎杖。
But those two, they didn't see any of this? Are they so far away?
そうせいぜい噛みしめろ。
Is Itadori aware of like what happened?
Probably.
He's probably thinking, shit,
He's gonna use it.
I did this, you know? Like he
know-
remembers, he sees everything.
He's the trauma.
Okay.
Oh, don't! Itadori, no!
Stop it! Oh.
No! No!
Is he gonna kill himself? Look at this crater.
Not the right time to play music?
Not this music.
Oh no, where are the others? Where are the others?
Oh, look at his fingers.
No, dude.
このままじゃ俺は。
Oh no!
Nanami.
Someone save him, he needs to be saved. Oh my god, he needs to be saved. No, Nanami. No.
My god. He looks like Two-Face from Batman.
I hope they can save him. What?
What? To heal him?
Yes.
I mean, he's burned.
Where is Maki? Why would he leave her behind? Do you think she died?
Maybe. I'm speechless.
Right. The episode looked amazing.
Yes.
You can see they've done more work here. There was a lot more detail. The animations were crazy and everything. But what the F? Why is Megumi summoning the strongest of the shadow technique Shikagamis that he controls, and even says nobody ever managed to tame this
it.
one in the history, I guess, of the technique, of the bloodline of the technique.
Yeah.
To fight this little curse user.
That's what I was just thinking.
Why?
For him, and also, if you think about it, like, it was actually for nothing. Because Sukuna would have showed up now anyway.
Yeah.
And you would have made
Well-
sure that Megumi doesn't die.
But
because he
didn't
doesn't
know
want
that.
him to.
But Megumi didn't know that.
I know, but like, it's just... Really, it was for nothing. You can kind of say, like, it was Megumi's fault that now Shibuya has been completely destroyed.
Yes. Yep. I mean,
Because Sukuna then had to fight
yeah.
this Shikagami, so...
I mean, Sukuna is the one who caused the damage, but Megumi is the one who summoned the Shikagami. And Sukuna was forced to do it because Sukuna realized this thing is regenerating over and over. And Itadori, of course, is blaming himself because he's the one who carries Sukuna. He's the vessel, but at the same time, it's like
Who knows
you're
what would
not.
have happened if Sukuna wouldn't have fought this thing?
Yeah, because it doesn't look like anybody would have been able to kill him. Maybe thinking, maybe Pseudo Ghetto, or maybe Mahito, but Gojo is sealed.
Yeah, Gojo is sealed. Crazy.
It was a crazy battle. I'm not gonna lie. There were a couple of moments where I didn't know what was happening. I was like,
It was a
still
lot
on
of like
Earth.
it was so quick and like just things flying
Suddenly
around.
you had
like
towers in the air and the train.
trains were flying,
and it looked
buildings were
amazing.
flying.
And you just had to accept it. You just watch it and see
like
what
I
happens.
didn't know like who punched who at some point. It was just like they were just flying around.
Yeah.
But it looked amazing.
It looked
yes,
incredible.
Absolutely.
It looked incredible.
Well, this curse user is now dead.
Halved.
Thank
Upside
God.
down.
Thank God. But poor Itadori.
He blames himself, obviously, for everything.
Of course. I
And
mean,
He saw
it wasn't
everything.
him, but obviously Sukuna is inside him.
Yeah.
And if he wasn't alive, like, or if he was able to control it, right? So he's kind of blaming himself now. And as he said, I need to leave. Otherwise, who knows what I'm going to do? I'm just going to be a murderer.
Because from this point on, he has 15 fingers in him. And you can still see, so Itadori is in control, but the question is, for how long? And what if Sukuna takes control
Yeah, I
again?
don't know. Is Sukuna now so strong that he can take over whenever he wants? Or is now Itadori back in control?
Because he said at one point, he was like, oh, like, I don't have much time. And then he was looking at his hand and he was shaking. So Itadori is able to regain control.
Okay.
And then Nanami.
Heartbreaking.
I hope they can
And
save
I'm
him.
glad he's still alive, but he's half burned. Disfigured. His beautiful face is burnt.
And then they showed Inumaki briefly, the back of him. But then, you saw just people dying left, right, and center and slashed and everything. Like,
Who knows who
Is
else
he
has
alive?
died during this fight? Like collateral damage. We saw other people, like a lot of people were dying.
yeah, but also where is Mimi? Because they were literally underground. But how far underground?
Yeah.
Are they safe? Like, anyway, this was episode 17. Crazy. I feel like at this point we say it every week. We say every week it's
Yeah,
crazy.
but I
and
think
it's
this
crazier.
was the craziest episode so
I mean,
far. Like,
You saw the whole. 17. We have what? Another 3 episodes? No, sorry, 6 episodes? It's 23, 24?
I think.
23 total.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this looked amazing. We did read that MAPPA, the animators, that it's like a bit of a chaos over there, and bless them, the schedule. And we do hope that they're going to take their time. We did see a few tweets that the animators are stressed, and it's a lot of work for them, and the schedules are very tight. Fingers crossed they can, make it happen. At this point, if it would take a little longer, we would also be okay with it.
Yeah, I mean, rather skip 1 week, have like 1 week without an episode,
Yeah.
so they can actually
Yeah.
have enough time to finish
Or
it.
even better, Christmas break, we are taking a break.
Yeah.
We are going to be back in spring or something. Something that just allows the animators to really focus on their craft, really focus on the storytelling, the storyboard and everything, and just make it as beautiful as possible, because we are here, we won't be going anywhere. But up until now, it has been incredible. Like you guys always said, the worst is still to come. And we believe you. It's crazy. But again, thank you so much for being with us. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Check out some more videos. And we will see you for the next one.